We have 2 3/4 plus 1 2/4. So when we're adding mixed numbers, we can add the fractions and the whole numbers separately. So 3/4 plus 2/4 is 5/4, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 3 5/4. But we can't write 3 5/4 as our answer, because we can't have an improper fraction in a mixed number. So we need to change 5/4 back into a mixed number. 5/4 is 1 1/4, because 5 divided by 4 is 1 remainder 1. So now we have 3 plus 1 1/4, so we have 4 1/4. Now 2 4/5 plus 2 3/5. So if we add the fractions together, 4/5 plus 3/5 is 7/5, because remember, when we're adding fractions, the denominators stay the same and we just add the numerators. So adding the fractions gives us 7/5. Adding the whole numbers, 2 plus 2 gives us 4, so altogether we have 4 7/5. But again, we can't write 4 7/5 as our answer, because we can't have an improper fraction in a mixed number. So we need to change 7/5 back into a mixed number. That's 1 2/5, because 7 divided by 5 is 1 remainder 2. Or 1 times 5 is 5, but then you need 2 more to get 7. So we have 4 plus 1 2/5, which gives us 5 2/5 as our answer. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.